Anglo American's share price shot up by as much as 16% on the news of BHP's possible buyout of the company.
This morning we received word that BHP will be making an offer for Anglo American at £25.08 per share. As part of the deal, they're expecting Anglo to unbundle Anglo American Platinum, so AMPLATS, as well as Kumba, and they're really after the underlying copper assets. Those copper assets are obviously key to an electric future. We're looking at EV production and the move towards greener energy. Copper is becoming an incredibly important asset. At the same time, Anglo American has extremely high quality copper assets in Peru and Chile, and it does look like the deal looks pretty reasonable. We had a Jefferies analyst coming out and saying the price, however, was a little bit too low, saying it probably won't go through at this level, and he was looking for around £28 per share. So there is a potential of rival bidders coming in as well.
Copper assets, among others, are seen as mineral assets of the future, and hence there's a big appetite for these resources.
The reason for that is, from a fourth industrial revolution perspective, the likes of copper, lithium are fairly heavily used, in the various components or sectors of the fourth industrial revolution, including semiconductors, AI, electric vehicle production, battery production, etc.
One mining analyst says BHP's insistence that Anglo unbundle Anglo-Plats and Kumba Iron Ore speaks to a lack of appetite by international investors to invest in South Africa due to red tape, even if the assets are known to be solid.
Anglo's has so many important holdings in South Africa and out of South Africa. Now, unfortunately, no international company wants to have investments in South Africa. It's too hard to get a competitive rate of return. It's too much PT, too much unknowing, too much unpredictability. So that's a real line in the sand right there.
For existing Anglo American shareholders, if the deal does go through, this will be positive, with the share price having already jumped up in the double digits on the news of the possible takeover.
Well, for existing shareholders, it's going to be a very good deal. Anglo's always trades at a discount, sometimes a huge discount, sometimes a medium discount. Medium means 20% discount to NAV, large means 35 to 40. So whoever takes over Anglo American, shareholders are going to get a much higher price than they would have had someone not taken over Anglo American.
While Anglo's board is currently reviewing the offer, it says BHP has until the 22nd of May to make a firm offer for the company. Nampumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.